Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. Let's make a raw walnut disc with chocolate ganache made with pumpkin seeds butter, pulse walnuts coarsely and then add dates and pulse again. Next, add 1/4 cup of almond flour or almond powder and mix until the dough comes together as a ball. And if you want to learn how to make almond flour at home, check the link in description because I have shown how to make it at home. If the dough feels sticky, add more walnuts and pulse. Make into small discs and freeze. Let's make chocolate ganache with pumpkin seeds butter, maple syrup, or honey or dates syrup, or even dates, cacao powder, organic vanilla powder, and a dash of salt. That's optional. Blend together until smooth. It should not be too flowy. If it is, you can adjust the consistency by adding more pumpkin seeds butter. Pour over each walnut pie disc and freeze for an hour. Decorate with a cashew or nut of choice. Enjoy a healthy, yummy vegan treat like none other. It's gluten free, it's easy, it's healthy, and makes a very healthy sweet or snack for kids and elders alike. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button if you like easy, healthy, sweet recipe for Christmas. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon with yet another healthy recipe on Ravneet Bhalla's channel. Bye bye.